আর আমরা কোনোই স্বাধীনতা করছি না, আমরা পাই আমরা ক্ষমতায় আসতে করতে পারি আমার যেটা 25 তারিখ সেটা আমরা
hay là nungguin makanan dok ini kira coba nih bagai jatuh kayak gitu
এর জন্য আমরা আজকে রোজ আমার আর আমরা জানি পাস হয়ে গেলে আমরা
কমিয়ে যাবে না
আরো কালকে আমরা একটা জায়গায়
এটা কিন্তু হয় ভাই এটাও তো বলে কি খাই চা খাই
এভরিডে
হ্যাঁ
তা আগে আছে আর আমরা ওখানে জানি আর অফিসিয়ালি আমরা ভাই বলে আবার বললো কিছু যেটা সেন্সার যেটা কথা আছে
Iya ba, kapan kakak bukan orang kita net sini bagai tu lah kan dia.
Will understand the price and or equally can see officials of the and the publishers of the publishers 1960 and the publishers of the 1997 that has reported to the parliament that Tripuria indigenous peoples are becoming endangered. Their existence is in danger. Therefore, the Indian government should immediately take the measure to protect the land and the culture and the identity of the indigenous people. So with that strong hope, we the indigenous people urge the government of India to retain and to reconsider our cry and come forward to give us protections and come forward to give us solutions at this juncture, at these situations. Because we have seen the entire Northeast is crying, the entire Northeast is raising a voice. And we have also seen yesterday that Amit Shah in the parliament has clearly stated that the Manipur is also is going to be protected by the inland permit. And beyond that, they are already protected under Article 371. Nagaland is also protected under 371A. Mizoram is also protected. Manipur is also protected. Arunachal Pradesh is also protected. Meghalaya is also protected. But what about Tripura? Tripura is not protected. And I have seen that he only said that the Tripura scheduled area also will be protected. But to give the clear message, and we have also given him the message that the 6th schedule is not even fully implemented 35 years down the line. Still we are unseen. Still the act is not being implemented properly. the land and the forest are still in the hand of the state and the forest is in the hand of the center. So how can we be protected within the 6th schedule area? Because there is no system and mechanism. We are not against any community. We have done before Indian government has done this. Our king has brought all those Hindu Bengali or Muslim Bengali or whoever it is. Today they are all enjoying in Tripura. But we have seen again that day by day they are all coming and settling in Tripura, and there is no mechanism to identify and there is no mechanism to protect our land and our territory. So that's why we say before India government has exercised this camp, we have already exercised, but we don't want to take the burden anymore. Because if we have to take the burden of this illegal miners and drugs, then equally the entire state need to take the equal burden. So we have also asked the Home Minister that distribute the populations equally in every state. Why Tripura, as a small state, even smaller than the Mizoram state, is holding triple double population than Mizoram. Mizoram is bigger than the Tripura state, but their populations are hardly 15 lakh. But whereas Tripura with a 10,493 square kilometer, but we are having more than 45 to 47 population here. So how this indigenous people is going to survive? The indigenous people, as you have seen, look at the example in front of the palace. In front of the palace, the statue is Khudiram Basu and the Professor Sen Gupta. What they have to do with the Tripura history? They are not even connected with the Tripura history. We are not against them, but that place is not proper place for them to be played. So we can see the clear indication of the discrimination, how our history is being destroyed, how our culture is being destroyed. So for that reason, we also ask the fellow citizens of Tripura who are not indigenous people, we are also asking them to come and join in our struggle. Let us all live in peace and peaceful and harmony, and let us fight this against the drug union camp that has been passed in the Lok Sabha. Thank you.
Oy, botas rin.
We are arresting you and we want you to please cooperate.
Omen! Sir, please. Please. Di saya. Nó được nay trong cái tay vô. Xin mặc đi vô. Hai nay tong narok sini. Kumpul mangkul ya via ba. Coba nih kalau sini. অনেক গরম নাতি দাদা খাইদি তাই লাই খাইদি খাইদি দাদা খাইবে যখন খাইবাই রাতে কোনো থামিও অনেক কিছু খাইবা ধরো খুবই মাংকুলিয়া ফিয়াবে খাইদি যেসব খারে আসো গুরু এনি 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 ধরো গুরু সেন খাইবে দাঁতি না তাইব শেয়ার খাইদি যত শেয়ার খাইবারি ফেসবুক হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ এনি শেয়ার খাইবারি 가시는데 가시는데 Bay di bawah ke?